In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Notion document into a PowerPoint presentation. Welcome back to our channel. This walkthrough is step-by-step and beginner-friendly, so you can follow along even if you've never done this before. First, open the Notion page you want to convert. Take a quick moment to scan through your content. Make sure your headings, bullet points, and images look the way you want, because the structure you see here will carry through to your slides. Clean formatting in Notion usually means less cleanup later in PowerPoint. In the top right corner of your Notion page, click the three dots. This opens the page menu with several options for sharing and exporting. From this menu, select Export. You'll see different formats you can export to. Choose PDF as the export format. PDF is reliable because it preserves layout, fonts, and spacing, and it naturally breaks long pages into pages that translate nicely into slides. Before you export, check any relevant options you see, like page size, or whether to include subpages, depending on your content. Then click Export and save the PDF to a folder you can find easily. Notion will generate the file, and the time it takes depends on how large your page is. Next, open PowerPoint, or Google Slides if you prefer working online. Create a new presentation so you're starting clean. A blank theme is often best because it gives you a neutral canvas for your imported content. Now import the PDF into PowerPoint. Most versions allow you to insert or open a PDF so that each page becomes a slide, or you can simply drag and drop the PDF into the presentation window. If you're using Google Slides, you can import the PDF pages as images or use your preferred method to bring in the content. The result is typically one slide per PDF page, which mirrors your Notion layout. Once the slides are in, adjust the layout and text as needed. Resize or reposition elements to improve readability, update fonts to match your brand, and ensure good contrast between text and background. If text appears as an image, you can add text boxes on top for titles or key points to make the slide clearer. Consider applying a consistent theme or adjusting the slide master for uniform headings and colors. Keep an eye on line breaks, spacing, and image quality, especially on slides with dense content, and simplify where you can for a cleaner presentation. And that's how you convert a Notion document into a PowerPoint presentation. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.